morning, my name is John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap has got the usual mixture of machines, a little bit of welding, some plasma cutting. I finished the valve spring compressor tool off. I make a start on a filter head for a vintage motorcycle bypass type filter head using a modern filter. That's quite an interesting job. There's lots of turning and it's all aluminium. You know how much I just love turning aluminium. There's quite a few names come in for the monthly draw. I haven't getting emails back to them, but I'll probably end up doing that tonight. If you send me an email, that's my email address up there. All I need is your name, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes into the bucket, and I do send you an email to say your name is in there. Certainly well worth a go. Some fantastic prizes for this coming month's giveaway. One thing I have noticed over the last 2 or 3 weeks, my YouTube subscriptions have gone up considerably. I think it's up to 73,500 now. Obviously there's a lot more people with a lot more time on their hands sitting watching me and other lads like me on YouTube. If you're sitting watching this and you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It does make a big difference. Right, I've got this set up in a vise. I need to machine the slot down there now. First thing to do is to find the centre of it. I hope you can see the DRO as well as see the edge finder. Right, as long as that's below centre height, which it is there. Starting up. Moving into it touches the edge finder. Do it again. It gently touches and then it stops moving there, and a little bit more and it kicks off. Do it once more. That's it there. So we zero the axis. Crossing that side. Same again. That's it there. Got a reading of 55.537, so about half that. That's it, 27.685. That back to zero, and once that's on zero, that is right underneath the centre of the axis of the machine. It even looks like it is. Right, so I'll lock the cable off at that. Nice new spanner that we cut out last week on the plasma table. So now I can lost two now. One for here and one for the lathe. The lathe's only 2 foot away. Right. Run this slow, and I'm going to run it with coolant. I've got 2 stops on this end of the table for that axis. I might as well use them and see if we can get a nice slot to cut down through there. Right, these are the, it's just as I made from them here, or at least modified. There's actually the DRO readout of the read heads behind there. That wasn't very well thought out. Now Johnny, a bit cutting off there so you can get a spanner in properly. I've never actually used these, they've been on here quite a while. I've never used them. Right, John, you idiot. Right, definitely need to put a deeper nut on there, would do the job actually. Bigger spacer. It's hitting the stop, it's going to work. In fact there are the studs and nuts. We'll have to do something with that. Barrel nuts, just deeper nuts is all it needs. Of course you can tighten it up when it's away from the... You can tighten it up when it's away from the job, so it's not too bad. All the way through. Put it smaller, carbide cutter in, much more gentle on the machine. Obviously I've reset the stops. Horrible, absolutely horrible. Right, a wonderfully sharp edge on there. Looks like we're going to fail off. So with a little window of cutting there, I need to do the same on the other side. And a little bit of file work and we're good to go. They are amazingly sharp edges them. You take them off because you've got to put your fingers in there to get to the cutters. weld nails, yeah, we'll put sleeves on. One little weld's not going to hurt us. Bastard. I need a screw. Now you're thinking they'll unscrew it, will not. This wheel is not big enough, John. Oh dear God, soon. Locks are going to keep honest people out, I realise that. But it's better than nothing that will make a noise. There's nothing in here worth pinching really, but what's in here is mine.